Good morning, students. Today we'll do English grammar, and our today's topic is descriptive paragraph. What is a descriptive paragraph? It is detailed information which forms an image in mind. When you are giving a full detail of anything which creates a clear image in your mind. You can describe a person, place, object, event, an idea, or a feeling. Now, the next is how to write a paragraph. A descriptive paragraph has three parts. Number one, topic sentence. Second is supporting detail. And third is concluding sentence. The first step, topic sentence. That means introduce the subject. Name of a person, place, object, event. Or if you are writing about a person, you will write his or her age, occupation. If you are writing about a place, you will write its location. If you are writing about object, then we will write shape and size. And if you are writing about an event, we will give details of date, time and venue. This is how we introduce the subject. Next is supporting detail. In this part, we will give personal and professional information. This will be in case you are describing a person. Kind of a building if you are describing a place. Purpose of use. Looks, price and brand if you are describing an object. Third part is concluding sentence. In this we will conclude by telling how important is it for you. If you are writing about a person, you will tell importance of that person. If you are writing about an object, you will tell importance of that object and so on. Let's take an example. Suppose you are writing a paragraph on my favorite actor. In this, first thing you will write topic sentence, in which you will introduce the subject. In this, you will write his or her name, age and occupation. After that, we'll give supporting details. That means we'll add details like his or her looks and appearance, lifestyle and riches. Next is more supporting detail. That means which describes his or her acting skills and refer to some of his or her famous movies. After that, we'll write additional supporting details. Describe his or her popularity, the awards he or she has won, and the social causes and values that are dear to him or her. In these three parts, supporting details, more supporting details and additional supporting details. That means every time we are talking about supporting details and we are telling each and everything about the person or a place that you know. Last part will be your concluding sentence. So in the end, your concluding sentence will bring your description to an interesting close. So whenever you're writing a descriptive paragraph, the last sentence should be very clear, which makes your topic clear and interesting. I'll give you one example. If you are writing a descriptive paragraph about a lion, then your last line will be lion is the king of the jungle. Or if you are writing a paragraph on tallest building, then you will say Burj Khalifa, which is located in Dubai, is the tallest building of the world. Thank you.